आणि आता थेट जाणार आहोत काँग्रेसच्या पत्रकार परिषदेमध्ये. काँग्रेस कार्यकारिणीची बैठक पार पडल्यानंतर ही पत्रकार परिषद झाली.
That Shri Rahul Gandhi should take over the presidency of Indian National Congress. A friend just asked what was the view of the Congress president, Congress vice president. Congress vice president was present in the meeting, presided over the meeting and said, whatever the Congress party and Congress working committee would finally decide, he would be ready to take on every such challenge. For him, the issue is to fight for the idea of India, to ensure that that decisive fight, including rights of my friends sitting in front of me, is carried to a logical conclusion, and any responsibility that helps him realize that objective, he is always willing to more than take on that metal and fulfill that responsibility. Since December was the last date, we have decided to ask for an extension from Election Commission of India. Can I go here and then I'll come back here? Ravi. मेरे मित्र, मैं आपको सिर्फ स्मरण करवाऊंगा, कांग्रेस संगठन के चुनाव जो हमारे संविधान की और कानून की परिपाटी है, उसकी यही आवश्यकता है कि संगठन के चुनाव पार्टी के संविधान के अनुरूप हों। इतनी ही संविधान की परिपाटी है, क्योंकि वो दिसंबर तक पूरे होना संभव नहीं। इसीलिए चुनाव आयोग से कार्य समिति ने यह आग्रह करने का निर्णय किया है कि उसको एक्सटेंड कर दिया जाए। जहां तक सवाल है, दूसरा आपका प्रश्न, हमने 1 वर्ष की एक्सटेंशन मांगी है। जहां तक प्रश्न आपका है कांग्रेस उपाध्यक्ष के अध्यक्ष बनने का, शायद अगर पिछले 130 वर्ष का आप इतिहास निकालें और कांग्रेस का संविधान आप पढ़ें, तो कांग्रेस कार्य समिति इसके लिए अधिकृत है और कांग्रेस कार्य समिति किसी समय भी, किसी मौके पर भी, कल भी दोबारा मिलकर यह निर्णय कर सकती है। उनकी भावनाओं से आदरणीय ए.के. एंटनी जी ने आपको अवगत करवाया और वरिष्ठ नेता डॉक्टर मनमोहन सिंह जी, एंटनी जी और वर्किंग कमेटी के दूसरे वरिष्ठ नेता कांग्रेस कार्य समिति की इस भावना से आदरणीय कांग्रेस अध्यक्षा श्रीमती सोनिया गांधी जी को अवश्य अवगत करवाएंगे और उसके बाद जो निर्णय लिया जाएगा हम आपको उसके बारे में सूचित करेंगे। The process of holding of elections is currently on, and that process will take not 1 year to complete, may get completed much earlier. The only requirement in law is to follow our constitution, and our constitution permits us, and the law permits us to seek such an extension, ma'am, and after you I'll go here.
No, end of? No, I will tell you. Rahul Gandhi is taking over an organization election. There is nothing, no connection. Organization election will take place due course. He told me about speculation. I agree with you. Hitherto, it was only speculation. Hitherto, it was speculation. It was there. I agree with you.
No, Congress President said I'm ready to hand
It was speculation. For the first time, the entire Congress Working Committee, unanimously, including the former Prime Minister Dr. Manmohan Singh, this time, for the first time, expressed their strong view that it is high time now, in this fight against communal forces, dictatorial forces, Sangh Parivar, RSS, Rahul ji must take over the leadership of the Congress. First time. And we are sure. And we will give this, our recommendation to Congress President. I am sure it will get due attention.
Aditi, I'm coming. I can see you, ma'am. I'm coming one by one. Please don't get angry. Aditi.
How can you agree?
You also can't be so prejudiced. Aditi.
Since the entire CWC unanimously resolved and expressed a strong sentiment that Rahul Gandhi should become the Congress president, why could it not happen today? Because naturally this is something the CP would have known. She was not present in the meeting.
That is because of the, she's recovering. The deadly atmosphere, there are some problems. So she was not able to attend the meeting. Even otherwise, there are some procedure issues are there. And we are not resolving. We are not the authority to resolve it. We are recommending it. But we are recommending for the first time. So we are sure our recommendation will get proper care and attention from the Congress President.
Let's have one by one. Mr. Manoj. I think Shri A.K. Antony has clarified it, but let me reiterate. The sentiment of, or the unanimous sentiment of the Congress Working Committee has been noted and will be conveyed by senior members of the Congress Working Committee to the Congress President. Ma'am.
My question is addressed to Mr. Antony. Sir, the Congress President has been and continues to be the supreme leader of your party. Now, your constitution gives her absolute power to take decisions as and when she feels appropriate. It's been 2.5 years since the last elections. Who and what was stopping her from making Rahul the Congress President if she had so desired? Why has it not happened till now?
No, it is not the her decision. That is not the way our party is not functioning. She is not nominating the Congress President. She is not nominating the Congress President. The Congress Working Committee always take decisions on that. For the first time, the Congress Working Committee unanimously not resolved, unanimously recommended to the Congress President, this is our wish, this is our strong feeling, please take the follow-up actions. No, Congress President will not nominate a Congress President. She is a democratic leader. It is a working committee at the AICC will have to take a decision. So that is why we, first time, till today, it was only speculation. I agree. There was strong speculation throughout the country, the media, party circuits. First time the entire Congress Working Committee met today and unanimously decided to recommend to the Congress President. So I am sure, we are sure that our unanimous recommendations will get proper attention.
Mohit Dubey.
सर आप कह रहे हैं कि पहली बार ऐसा हुआ है कि राहुल गांधी को प्रेसिडेंट बनाने के लिए कांग्रेस वर्किंग कमेटी में सहमति बन गई। राहुल गांधी भी चाहते हैं कि वो अध्यक्ष बन जाए। 19 तारीख को एक बड़ा कार्यक्रम आप लोग करने वाले हैं 19 नवंबर को, तो क्या मान लिया जाए तो उस दिन अनाउंस भी हो जाएगा, ऐलान भी हो जाएगा, क्योंकि जब आप भी तैयार हैं, अभी तैयार हैं, तो पेश कहाँ है?
भविष्य में क्या होगा उसको आज बताना शायद अनुचित होगा। आदरणीय एंटनी जी ने कहा है कि कांग्रेस कार्य समिति के सभी सदस्यों की तीव्र इच्छा, उनकी मंशा और उनकी राय कांग्रेस अध्यक्षा जी के सामने रख दी जाएगी और जैसे ही उस पर जल्द से जल्द निर्णय होगा हम आपको अवश्य बताएंगे। मौसमी,
तेव्हा काँग्रेस पक्षाचं अध्यक्षपद राहुल गांधींनी स्वीकारावं अशी सर्वतोमुखी एकमुखी किंबहुना मागणी केलेली आहे या वर्किंग कमिटीच्या मीटिंगमध्ये आणि ती आता अध्यक्षांसमोर ठेवली जाईल अशी माहिती काँग्रेसतर्फे देण्यात आली आहे।